One fruit. One moment. Every glass of orange juice begins here.
For generations, oranges have been harvested by hand.
Today, machines harvest at scale. Different methods, one purpose. The journey has just begun. Once harvested, oranges must move quickly. Transport connects farms to factories. Freshness depends on timing. The next stage begins at the plant. From here, oranges are processed. Fresh oranges are washed as they enter the facility. Surface dirt and residue are removed. Each orange is inspected for quality. Only suitable fruit continues to processing. Cleaned oranges move to extraction. Extraction begins as oranges enter the machine. The fruit is cut and gently pressed. Fresh juice is released. Juice is separated from peel and pulp. The juice moves to the next stage. Fresh juice still contains natural pulp.
Some pulp is filtered out.
Pulp levels are adjusted. The juice moves on for safety treatment. Juice enters pasteurization. The juice is heated briefly. The heat is held just long enough. Pasteurization is complete. Cooling preserves freshness. The juice is held in clean tanks. Storage is carefully controlled. The juice moves on to packaging. Packaging prepares juice for distribution. Each container is carefully filled.
Sealing keeps the juice fresh.
Millions of bottles move through every day. The juice is ready to move. Packaged juice is prepared for transport.
Refrigerated transport maintains freshness.
The journey continues beyond the factory. Temperature control is continuous.
The juice reaches refrigerated storage.
The juice is stored under refrigeration. Pallets are organized for distribution. Storage preserves quality until delivery. Shipments are prepared for retail. The next stop is the store. Distribution begins at the warehouse. Drivers connect warehouses to stores.
Température contrôle continue en route.
The juice arrives at the store.
Store teams take over from here.
Here, the journey becomes visible. A choice is about to be made.
This moment connects everything.
The journey continues home.
Soon, it will be poured.
After a long journey,
It ends in a single sip.
but the story doesn't end there.
Behind each sip is a journey.